Nandiyan ba si Gats Karaos? Oh, solo siya kasi section 4C siya eh. Si Karaos.
Sabi ni Tito Dani kanina, hindi ako naniniwala po eh.
Kaya na yun, sama na tayo lahat.
Ang galing totoo yan eh.
I'm calling Section 4A. We're going to do a remake of the Ateneo hymn. And after that, a remake of the national anthem.
Kaya lahat.
Sino kakanta? Sino kakanta? Si Diego ba? Si Diego kakanta.
Okay, I have the lyrics of Hail Ateneo Hail right here on this white book. If anybody wants to read the singing, you may just come over here.
Singer. Sino singer sa atin? Oh, singer.
Once for our focus hail, in strong array. For our marble white, wave on high, and sing our battle song. For time, march on, march on, march on, march on, march on, march on, to the fight, to the fight, to win our love is right.
Thank you for the picture taking. And now we will now proceed to the, as suggested by the body, we will have an election for our BATS 69. So may I call on the COMELEC in charge, Attorney June Lam.
Di ba boses na lang?
Good evening, batchmates. I am Commissioner Lingtang Bidol. Kailangan ba natin ng officers? That's already been agreed upon, Danny. You're overruled by the body. Okay, the floor is now open. The President na lang natin i-elect. The floor is now open for nomination to the position of President of BATS 69. Yes, Parimboy, Victoria.
Respectfully nominate Mr. Attorney Gamo.
Sobra na. Comment na. Gagawin pa niya akong presidente. Huwag na ako. Any objection?
No objection.
Okay.
Walang biruan. I nominate Ladi Randia.
Vice President.
Ladi Randia.
Vice na lang siya.
Vice.
Ikaw ang president.
Okay.
President and Vice.
So, yun lamang. President and...
Secretary.
Secretary nga pala.
Paul.
Sino ang secretary?
Paul. Mr. Recto Bilen.
Por Cortez. Sino? Boy Victoria. Come on, let's have an election para masaya. Paul versus Boy Victoria. Viva Boche! Oh. Hindi, secretary daw eh. Ha? Ang isang treasurer. Oh, Paul.
Ibigay ko na kay Boy Victoria.
Ha?
Ibigay ko na kay Boy Victoria.
Ang alin?
Yung sekretary.
At ikaw? Treasurer.
Sige.
Lolo ka. Gusto mo ng treasurer. Mabigat ang position yan. Pag abunado ang bat, sagot mo.
Balansyado ang akin.
Okay. O, di tapos na.
John.
Oh, yes, Alex.
John.
Yes.
Yung mga nasa abroad, kailangan mag-elect tayo nasa stage. Nasa stage natin abad.
Ano sabi ni Alex?
Kailangan meron tayong isang nasa abroad.
BP for US.
Yes.
Oh, I nominate Danny Albero. Hey! Terry! Okay, sige. O, saan ang ating next reunion? Sa States? Sa States. Sagot ni Danny sa kandidates. Sagot ni Danny sa kandidates.
Sa bundok tayo.
Okay. That's done. Thank you.
The secretary.
So next in line we have, bibigyan daw po natin ng oras na makapagsalita yung mga, unahin natin yung mga galing sa abroad. So lahat po ng mga galing sa abroad, please come forward.
Kakain. Okay ka na?
Okay, Danny, please come over.
Alex!
Wala ako'y nagagalak na ako'y nandito sa Pilipinas at kayo nakasalamuhan dito sa gathering na ito. We have been anticipating this this gathering. Ako si Dado Caracas. Taga-Chao. We have been anticipating this. Matagal nang hinihintay ng pagkakataon. And we are glad to be here today. Good evening.
Hindi lang namin sa inyo kung paano nangyari. Unang ko nag-usap, kami ni Dads. Dahil natuntun ko sa New York. Nasa Atlanta ako, Dads was in New York. And may nagbalita sa akin si Dads daw nandoon. Either hindi pa nag-asawa o nag-asawa ka na, nagre-review ka. So, TNT, you have to say that. So, natrack ko si Dads, and then Celso and I were communicating.